Treatment for advanced heart failure has improved greatly in recent years, with people living longer and fuller lives. Even so, it is a serious condition that can worsen and lead to death if not managed and treated. That's why it's important to recognize if your symptoms are worsening and work with your doctor to understand your treatment options. A left ventricular assist device, or LVAD, is a well-known option your doctor might recommend. It's a small, surgically implanted heart pump designed to help your heart circulate oxygen-rich blood throughout your body. There are thousands of people living with a HeartMate 3 LVAD. It's been shown to reverse heart failure symptoms, to improve your quality of life, and help you live longer.
My life changed for the better. I woke up refreshed. I woke up feeling like $1,000,000. This is what's keeping me going.
How does the HeartMate 3 LVAD system work? It has 4 main components which keep your blood circulating. The HeartMate LVAD pump, the drive line, which connects the pump to the controller outside of the body, the controller, which powers and checks the LVAD pump and drive line, and the rechargeable batteries, which provide power to the system. To learn about HeartMate, visit heartmate.com/patient. Click on Find a HeartMate LVAD Center to locate an advanced heart failure center near you.